Hello there and welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Telegram application to your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. We'll be using a browser, and this method will work for any device running an Android operating system. As far as that browser is on an Android operating system, it's going to work for you. In this case, I'm using the Google browser, and before I get in, I would like you to share this video, and I'd like you to subscribe if you're getting value from this content. Click on the Google browser and you'll be in. Now, search for the application you wish to download. In today's video, we'll be looking to download the Telegram application. So I'll be typing in Telegram, Telegram. Great. So if you search for the Telegram app, you're going to find this link. Click on this specific link that comes from play.google.com and not on the other links. This will take you to the Google Web Store, and when you click on it, if it's your first time, you're going to be prompted to log into your account. Log into your Google account and you'll find this install button. I'd like you to click on it and your installation will begin. Be patient for a couple of seconds to a minute, just depending on your internet connection speed. And when the download is completed, you're going to find this application in your app library. Straight and simple. Thank you for watching. If you found insight here, again, subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and I'll see you with more content like this on the next video.